So in the first part of this video on setting up Google Analytics goal tracking, we're going to look at getting everything ready for you to set that up. Now, there's obviously two ways of tracking conversions, and one is Google AdWords conversion tracking, which I cover in another video, but this one is Google Analytics goal tracking and has many really good features which I find better than AdWords conversion tracking. With AdWords conversion tracking, you can set that up in your tools and you can start tracking conversions and everything else that you need. But with this one, we're looking at Google Analytics. So if we click on Google Analytics over there, it will take you straight to your page. So in this case, I've got my page there for my account, and when I click on admin, I have the section where I can set everything up. So the first thing really is just to make sure that your AdWords and your analytics accounts are linked together. You will need that to be able to set up Google Analytics goal tracking. So in the property section under Google Ads linking, you click on that and then it's going to search and come up with any information about any linked account. So in this case, we have my AdWords account that's linked. If you want to link other accounts, you can obviously click on new link group and then it shows you. So in this case, my account is linked, and if you check the AdWords custom ID and come back here 276, yeah, it shows us 276 right there. So it's the same one, everything is linked. And then you also obviously need to make sure everything is linked up well in Google AdWords itself. So if you go to tools and go to linked accounts, this is where you just make sure that everything is linked up. So under Google Analytics details, you would then come over here. This is important because when you've set up the goal tracking in analytics, you need to then go into AdWords and import those goals and just make sure they're linked in there. So that's an important part of the setup. So if we come in here, we can see the various analytics properties that are available, and mine is right there. So all linked, even shows you audiences and the goals that are in the account. So once everything is linked up, then we can move on to the next stage of actually setting up a goal and then importing it into AdWords, and we'll cover that in the next